Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Pixel 10 Pro XL. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle grip case for the Pixel 10 Pro XL. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for sending this case out to me for a review. Like we normally do my reviews, we make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Does it have wireless charging or MagSafe on there? Also the overall fit, does it have bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. I mean, the packaging is what it is, military grade. If y'all want to pause that and read it, you can definitely do so. But Supcase, I've been using them for a while now. They're one of the great supporters of the channel. So I love using that case. Oh, I like this case. Bam, look at that. Supcase logo up there, two-tone. You have a little kickstand here too. Bam. I like the grip you have. Let's see how this bad boy fits. Okay. Bam. So do you get lip protection? Right off the bat, yes. You have a lot of lip protection there. Also, look at that camera cutout. That's not bad. It goes over the frame a little bit. So it does give you a little bit more protection. And then look at the corner protection you get on the four corners of this case. So when you drop it, it's going to try to land. I'm knocking stuff down. It's going to try to land on that corner there. And that does add a little bit of bulk. Does. I mean, it adds some bulk to your phone there. But it gives you that extra protection. Everything lines up at the bottom. The cutouts are precise. Microphone looks good. Power button is nice and tactile. Actually, the power button is nice and tactile. I was pressing the volume rockers. Power button is nice and tactile. And then let's go back to the volume rockers. Volume rockers are nice and easy to press too. As you can hear them. Nothing wrong with the buttons on this case. I like the grip you get. I love how it shows off the beauty of your phone. And then this kickstand. Yeah, you can work it in different variations to get the best view for you, even this way. So the kickstand is sturdy. I don't think it has MagSafe. Oh, it does have MagSafe. It made a liar out of me. Let me check and get my little charging puck. I might have to buy me a new one because I think it's wearing out. Can you wireless charge? Bananas. Yes, you can wireless charge with no issues there. And then the magnet is pretty strong. The only thing like I said, with these cases is because the little kickstand is the MagSafe too. It just comes out. I wish again they had a little button there, but it's not like it comes out easily. You have to put some force. So when you have it on there, you're not gonna sit here and bounce your phone like this. You're just gonna have it sitting there. I don't know who I'm trying to call. When you have your phone, you're not gonna be bouncing with it. And then for a ring holder, you can just use this kickstand as a ring holder too, like this. So you're not really gonna use these attachments, but the magnet is strong. I mean, it is strong, y'all. So, but yeah, you can use the ring holder. If you need a ring holder, you just pull out this and you have a holder. So you don't even need one of these attachments. So the magnet is good. I just like the design and the color of this goes well with my Pixel. So again, this checks off a lot of boxes for a lot of people. I think the one thing that people might complain is about how bulky it is, or the corners are a little bit bulkier than what they want. For me, it's not bad. I like the grip. The buttons were nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom there. The microphone lines up at the top. You have excellent grip. The kickstand works good. Look at that camera protection you get. It shows off the beauty of your phone. So it has a lot for it. Bam, I don't think you can go wrong with Supcase. They make some solid cases. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon or their website. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.